Hello everybody, this is Homemade Turkish Foods channel. I am gonna show how to make orange cake. That's extremely delicious and easy. I highly recommend it when your guests come. In a mixing bowl, combine 4 middle-size or 3 large room temperature eggs with granulated sugar, about half a cup of sugar. I put less sugar than usual because there is also some sugar in oranges. I am absolutely excited because this is my first cake recipe in my channel. And I hope you love the fresh oranges in it. At this stage, we can use hand mixer or stand mixer. This first step helps to dissolve the sugar into the eggs. We are gonna add 2 fresh orange zest by grating. Adding fresh zest will make all the difference. Then add 180 ml of oil. I am using sunflower oil. And add the juice of 2 large oranges at 25 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius in temperature. This gives moisture and amazing flavor. As for dry ingredients, 9 full tablespoons of all-purpose flour. We will decide to add extra flour by looking at the consistency of dough later. 10 grams of baking powder, whisk those together until they are well combined. At this stage, we shouldn't use mixer to get fluffy cake. We prefer a whisk. I just wanna ensure that it is well combined. I need to add extra flour by looking at the consistency. Please look at the consistency of the dough. Added some walnuts, but unfortunately I couldn't have filmed. We are using 22 cm bond non-stick pan, which I like because it releases easier. Make sure to generously use oil inside of the bond pan. Look at the consistency of the dough. Pour all the dough evenly into your prepared pan. Use a spatula to get every last drop. We have baked that in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 50 to 60 minutes based on your oven. Sprinkle some icy sugar. You can see that cake rises beautifully. Let it rest and cool for 15 minutes. Make sure that the cake cools completely to the room temperature. It is serving time. I can see how moist this is. I can recognize the little bits of orange zest. Beautiful smell. I didn't use vanilla because I wanna feel just orange smelling. And allow this texture, fluffy inside, crunchy outside. If you enjoy my video, make sure to subscribe my channel to see more amazing recipes. Press the like button and write comment to get a heart.